In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Hubstaff account if you no longer need your Hubstaff account and want to remove it. This process is very quick. I'll walk you through exactly where to click so you can do it without confusion. Before you begin, make sure you're already signed into your Hubstaff account in your web browser, since the delete option is located inside your account settings. Once you're on your Hubstaff dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This will open the account menu where Hubstaff keeps personal settings and account-related options. If you don't immediately see the option you need, just give the menu a second to fully expand. From that drop-down menu, click on My Account. This will take you to the main area where you can manage your personal account settings. In general, this section is where you can update things like your account information, preferences, and other profile details. For this tutorial though, we're heading straight to the option for removing the account. After the My Account page opens, look for the Delete Account option. Once you find it, click on Delete Account. This is the action that begins the account deletion process. Depending on what Hubstaff shows on your screen, you may be asked to review a confirmation message before the deletion is finalized. If that happens, read the message carefully so you understand what will be removed or affected after the account is deleted. That's all there is to it. The main path is simple. Open the profile icon, go to My Account, and then select Delete Account. If you're doing this because you no longer use the service, it's a good idea to make sure you've saved anything important beforehand, especially if there's any account data you may want later. Also, if you're part of a team or organization inside Hubstaff, make sure deleting your account won't affect any work access you still need. And that's how to delete your Hubstaff account. If you want, you can pause the video and follow these steps at your own pace while you're on the account page.